Hello, Form 4, Chapter 5, Chemical Bond, Video number 4,第四个 video. Formation of ionic bonds. Okay, ionic bond. Where is ionic bond come from? 离子的 bond 从哪里来？ Positive ion, negative ion attract together. They become ionic bond. 这种 bond 就叫离子的 bond. Okay, so ionic bond, they are chemical bond which are formed through the transport of electrons from the atom of the metals to the atom of non-metals. Okay, so ionic bond are chemical bond which are formed through the transport of electron from the atom of metal to the atom of non-metal. So where is the ionic bond come from? 这种 bond 从哪里来？怎样形成呢？ Okay, so metallic atom like to lose electron. 金属喜欢丢。example 不然 boy 男孩子喜欢丢花送花 but for non-metal they like to gain 他喜欢收非金属喜欢收对不对 another meaning 女孩子喜欢收一个喜欢送花一个喜欢收花一送一收 okay so they will join together 过后就结合在一起变成一堆啦Okay, so when metal lost electron to the non-metal, 金属把 electron 丢给非金属的时候，它们就形成了一种 bond， 就叫 ionic bonds. So during the formation of ionic bonds, metal atom will release the electron, and non-metal will gain the electrons. 金属丢 electron， 非金属 gain the electron, receive the electron 就会收到 electron. Okay.And the electron released by the metal atom are transferred to the uppermost shell of the non-metal to achieve the stable electron arrangements. So when metal lost electron, metal become octavalent. Or when the non-metal gain the electrons, it will become octavalent also. 它也变成了 stable electron arrangement. 它自己也变成 octavalent, 对不对？ Okay. So both of them achieve a stable electron arrangement. 两个呢都变成 stable.The formation of positive ion and negative ion 金属丢过后变成加非金属拿过后变成减一加一减 so they were having a very strong they will create a strong electrostatic attraction force 它们就会形成了一种很强的 electrostatic attraction force 静电的一种拉力一加一减拉在一起一男一女对不对他们就变成了一种 bond 那种 bond 很可怕的有时候叫爱情有时候叫夫妻对不对要发誓山盟海誓白头偕老还要签名要分开还要用 lawyer 对不对还要去法庭哇还要赔那个赡养费这种好可怕很强的一种 bond electrostatic attractive force so when metal become positive non-metal become negative 一加一减结合在一起 and the bond actually is very very strong 这种 bond 呢非常的强了Okay, you don't have the experience 你没有经验你不知道它多么可怕你的名一签下去他的亲戚就是你的亲戚他的爸爸妈妈你都要叫爸爸妈妈他的大伯大舅你也要跟着叫大伯大舅还要给红包sorry 讲到哪里去Okay, so this is what we call ionic bonds. Like any example, 有什么例子呢 Look at the diagram and try to understand. 看图片你就明白了 Magnesium atom having 2.8.2 electron arrangements because of 0.2 magnesium neutral but not stable. Oxygen 2.6. So even oxygen atom is neutral but not stable 因为它的 0.6Okay, so one day when magnesium and oxygen meet together, magnesium lost the 2 electrons. Magnesium 丢掉它的那2粒 electron. For who? 丢给谁呢 Oxygens. So the electron, it will be joined together with the electron at the uppermost shell of the oxygen. And finally, what happened to the magnesium? It becomes stable, octavalent. And what happened to the oxygens? It also becomes stable and octavalent, 对不对 But after they lost the electron, it will become positive. When it gain the electron, it will become negative ion, 对不对 So 一个变加，一个变减 So positive, negative, they attract together, 加在一起 And you become magnesium oxide 就变成了一种新的化合物了 And become magnesium oxide Okay, so this is where the ionic bond come from. They come from metal, non-metal. 金属丢，非金属拿。金属变加，非金属变减。加减粘在一起过后 become a new compound 变成新的化合物。这一种情况就叫 ionic bond or ionic compound 了。Okay. So any example of formation of ionic compounds or ionic bond you have to draw in the exam. 在考试你必须画离子的化合物怎样被形成出来呢 ？Simple. Look at the example. See how. So sodium and chlorine. Sodium 2.8.1 not stable. Chlorine 2.8.7 not stable. So one day sodium and chlorine meet together and you give them some heat energy. 给他们一点点的热能。Okay, and now with the heat energy, chemical reaction take place. Sodium lost 1 electron, become 2.8. So sodium 丢掉一粒 electron, become sodium ion. Chlorine atom gain 1 electron. 它丢给谁 ？Chlorine 拿去了，没有人拿，你不可以乱丢啊，你不可以丢在地上啊。Okay, so chlorine atom gain 1 electron, finally become chloride. Chlorine atom gain 1 electron, become chloride. And at the end, both of them become stable. 过后两个人变成离子，两个人结合在一起 and they become stable, 就变成了 stable. This is a diagram called sodium chloride. 家里的炒菜盐在 chemi 就是这样子画的。Sodium become ion, chlorine become chloride. 一加一减结合在一起。不要分开 and it becomes sodium chloride 就变成家里的炒菜盐 sodium chloride. So sodium chloride draw in this way 就是这样子画 OK, sodium 跟 chloride 形成的一种化合物 draw 慢慢画 2.8.8 2.8 它丢掉过后它拿去了 So stable mean the bracket 这个括弧就叫 stable OK, 加减in exam it will be 2 mark normally 这样子的画2分很好的东西来的drawing normally just happen in structure question 它通常出在 structure 那边 OK essay we having another one essay 等一下我们用嘴巴讲 and you give sentence 你给句子 don't worry I having the example 等一下我给你问题的时候你自己会看到的 next another example Formation of magnesium oxide. Magnesium 2.8.2 neutral but not stable. 0.2 的关系 Oxygen 2.6.6 not stable. So how to make themselves become stable? During the chemical reaction, magnesium lost 2 electrons, become magnesium 2 ion. Magnesium 丢掉2粒的 electron 变成 magnesium 2的离子 Okay, but what happened to the oxygen? Okay, Oxygen gain 2 electrons, finally become oxide. Oxygen 收到 electron 2粒，它丢2粒，它收2粒，因为它要2粒，你丢1粒它也不要。So oxygen gain 2 electrons, finally become oxides. But when oxygen become oxide, it also becomes stable. So magnesium 变成 magnesium ions. Oxygen become oxide ion. Positive, negative, they attract together and finally become magnesium oxide. So this is where the ionic compound come from. 金属丢，非金属拿，一加一减结合在一起。OK， 好了没有 ？Another example.Sodium oxides. Okay, sodium oxide. Before I start, tell you a story. Okay, we maybe see how to write the chemical formula for sodium oxide. 怎样写出 sodium oxide 的 chemical formula, and from the chemical formula, you try to understand why. 你才试试看了解为什么呢 So sodium oxide. 到底怎样写出它的 chemical formula? So you have to remember, sodium ion is just one positive.Oxide is just 2 negative. So last time in chapter 3 we cross a number. I give you 2, you give me 1, 对不对？我给你2，你给我1。So 为什么我要给你2，你给我1呢？一定有原因，对不对 ？Okay, so finally it become sodium oxide. 它就变成了这个答案，就叫 sodium oxide. But why sodium oxide must be 2 sodium and 1 oxygen? 为什么一定要这样子呢 ？Today you can explain. 今天你必须解释了。Okay, 你看啊。Oxygen atom 2.6 and because of 0.6 oxygen atom not stable. In order to make itself become stable, oxygen need to receive 2 electrons. 它必须收到2粒的 electron, 它才会变成 stable. But now sodium come towards the oxygen. Sodium 跑来 oxygen 这边 Sodium just able to supply or donate, just able to release or donate 1 electron only.不可能叫我丢2粒给你，然后变成 2.7， 那变成杂包啊，对不对 ？So sodium atom lost 1 electron to the oxygen, but oxygen not enough， 它欠另外1粒 electron。So another sodium atom 另外的1粒 sodium 呢， lost another electron to the oxygen. So finally they become what? 最后它们变成什么呢？ Sodium oxide. So for the formation of sodium oxide, you need 2 sodium. 你需要2粒的 sodium, each donate 1 electron. Donate 1 electron to the oxygen for the oxygen to become oxide 啦。Okay, so that's why Na2O 就是这个原因。2粒 sodium 对1粒 oxygen 就是这个原因。oxygen 要2，你只能给我1，所以我需要另外的一个 sodium 跑进来。Okay, so how to write the half equation? Sodium lost 1 electron becomes sodium ion.Another sodium lost 1 electrons to become sodium ion. But for these two, 这2粒 sodium 的离子的 half equation, we can join together. 我们可以把它结合起来，粘起来。So 2 sodium atom lost 2 electron. 2粒的 sodium atom 丢掉2粒的 electron, finally become 2 sodium ion, 变成2粒的 sodium 的离子。And oxide gain the 2 electron, oxygen 就收到这2粒 electron.Finally become oxide, 最后就变成了 oxide. So this is where the ionic compound or ionic bond come from. 金属丢，非金属拿。And finally, they neutralize each other. 它们就一加一减的结合在一起 become ionic compound. And this type of compound actually strong, 很强的。为什么讲很强呢？ Okay, 因为加减粘在一起，那股拉力很难解散。Okay, set up. Bye bye.